Hello.
مرحبا. السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام.
Salam.
مرحبا.
Can you see me?
No,
Or you just like
we can.
alright, let me enable it.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Nice to see you again.
That's
Nice to see you again.
Me too, nice
مرحبا
to see you
again.
again. مرحبا.
We'll say Tatar words, and
Okay.
you guess in English, and you teach us Arabic also, and then Mandarin also, Chinese, and
Alright.
I can teach Uyghur also, yeah, and Japanese.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I understand. But for now, we what we have is like you tell me a Tatar word, and I need to
Yes,
guess
you
its
guess,
meaning
yeah.
in English or Arabic.
First
Okay.
one. haber.
Yeah, it's news, right? Like
Yes,
Yeah.
message or
news. How about in Arabic? Is it
in
same?
Arabic, khabar, same, but we don't make it like unclear, like habar. We say it like kha. We make it clear this voice, this sound. I mean, the sound of kha, make it so clear. So it sounds like khabar.
Almost same.
There is three types of
Mm.
ha with dot and ha.
They have three types of ha?
Yeah, in Arabic.
Oh, really?
We have kha and ha and ha.
And ha.
So
So
ha, yeah. So this one it sounds like between ha and kha. The ha, like Chinese in Chinese khans, like ha, that kind of vowel. Yeah. But in Arabic it's so different. Like we have specific vowel or specific sound for each character.
And we have another word for news. It's yangalık, yangalıklar, which means news.
Yangan is
We use both of them, and haber and yangalık. Yeah.
and Turkish is haber. Uyghur languages is haber.
Khabar. Yeah, I know that. This is like one specification in Uyghur language that they changed the vowel of bay to ve, or they changed fa to pe. So, for example,
fair change. Yes. Fair change.
for example, muwaffaq, they say muwaffaq.
Pardon?
Muwaffaq. So like
Muwaffaq.
muwaffaq. In Arabic we say muwaffaq, they say muwaffaq. They changed wa to fa and fa to fa.
Chinese 汉语怎么说消息新闻
消息
yeah,
或者信息
but Japanese using news, we are using
English
news.
News. Same as English, alright.
But in Japanese it's news.
Interesting.